With so many screen recorders available, it can be very confusing and time consuming to pick the one that is best for you. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to use Tella Screen Recorder. I'll also be highlighting some pros and cons that I've observed since I've been using it, and I'll be showing you the best use cases. Now, let's dive in.
Create an account. To do that, you're going to go onto tella.com and you can sign up as they offer a 7-day free trial period, or I'll be leaving a link in the description and pin comment that you can use. Once signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From here, you have two options. You can either choose to use their web browser option, so you could select record in the top left hand corner and you can start recording using Tella without installing the app. But I would recommend that you install the app. So you'll see the app install option in the top right hand corner. With the app install option, the user interface looks a lot better and it also offers more features. Now, let's get into recording. Before you start recording, what I recommend you do is outline the video that you want to create and also the different steps. As when it comes onto Tella, it is easier to record in parts. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. So I'll be recording my first tutorial. So all I'll need to do is simply tap on the Tella app in the bottom right hand corner, better yet. Once I've done that, you can see the screen right here, and you can also see the camera that it is using. At the moment, I'm using my iPhone camera. If I wanted to change it to the FaceTime camera, I could do that by selecting FaceTime camera. And you can see how it would look right there. So you have different options. And you can also use your external microphone. Once you have connected your external microphone, you can select it, or you can select the device microphone. What I would recommend you do though to get the best effect is tap on the three dots right here. Then from there, you're going to tap on settings. After selecting settings, you can select the quality. You can also select whether you'd like to show your cursor. And if you like to record computer audio, you'll toggle this on. Then you can also select the camera quality, and you can also edit the microphone settings. And if we were to select general, you can choose whether you'd like it to launch at login, and you can see different options right there. Another thing that I like when it comes onto Tella is by tapping on the three dots, you'll be able to add speaker notes. Now, what are speaker notes? This can be an outline, this can be a script that you want to read while you're recording your tutorial. You have different options. And don't worry, when you see this right here during the process of recording, it doesn't show when the video has been recorded. This is only visible to you as the speaker. So you could use this option. And also when it comes onto this option, while you're recording the tutorial, you can simply tap on the play button and you will be able to play it and read just like you would do with a teleprompter. So this is definitely a good option. And also when it comes onto the background, this is a major con that I have when it comes onto Tella. For example's sake, if I were to go into one of my previously recorded videos, let's say for example, let's say this one. Once here, after you have recorded your tutorial, and I would recommend that you record tutorials. For example, you would record the intro, whether it be 30 seconds, a minute, or 2 minutes. I want you to record it in parts. The reason why I recommend you record it in parts is you won't be able to change the layout. And what do I mean by layout? Just be sure to watch this tutorial to the end. So to edit it, you'll tap on edit in the top right hand corner. Once you're on the editor page, you're going to toggle on Studio Voice and Edit Faster. By toggling on Studio Voice, it helps to remove background noise and it also enhances your audio quality. So it increases the volume and it lets it sound a lot smoother. And by tapping on Edit Faster, that will stop Tella from logging. So if you don't toggle on this, you'll realize that some of the time it takes forever for the video to load up, or it might look fuzzy or so on. So that is another con when it comes onto Tella. Now, once here, what I mean by layout is if we were to go over to the top right hand corner and select layout, you can see different options that you can choose from. Now, if this was an 8-minute long video, I would not be able to change the layout for different sections of the video. So that is why I recommend that once you're using Tella, you split up the videos into different sections. So for example's sake, I could change the layout right here, and this is the intro, and then I could change the layout for another section of the video. So for example, if I would like to show the screen only for another section of the video, I'll tap on screen. Then from there I can show the screen only. Another pullback that I have when it comes onto Tella is, let's say for example's sake, I would like to change my background right here. I cannot change the background, but I can change the background on the screen. So to change the background on the screen, you'll go to BG from the right hand menu option, and you can see different options that you can choose from. You can also select image, and you could choose to upload an image if you want, or you can select any one of the copyright free images that they have right here. And to edit it, you could tap on adjust, and from there you can adjust it, as you can see right there. Another thing that you can also do, if you would like to add border, you can add border. So you can see the different border options that you can apply, and you can see how it would look. So you can see it right there. So you have different options on how you can make it stand out. You can also add in zoom if you want. So you can add in zoom effect with the mouse. You can set that up. And when it comes on to removing a particular section, you'll tap on cut in the top right hand corner. Then you can select the section that you would like to remove, then select split, then select it, then you'll tap on delete. And when it comes on to editing, this is where Tella stands out. By tapping on transcript, you can remove any section just like what you will do with a Google Doc by simply selecting the text that you like to remove. So let's say for example, I would like to remove this section. All I'll need to do is simply select the text, then I'll tap on delete from video, and just like that, that section has been deleted. So it is quite easy when it comes on to editing. You can also find mistakes by tapping on the find mistake option, and their AI will help you to find mistakes in your clip. You can also use the remove buffer option that will remove buffer sections from the start or end of your video. You can also remove silent parts by selecting whether the natural option or fast option, then you'll select remove silence. You can also remove filler words by tapping on remove. So it provides you with numerous editing options. Once you're finished editing your tutorial, you can tap on download. And by the way, if it is a case that you want to combine numerous clips, the way how you'll be able to do that is by tapping on the three dots right here. You can tap on copy to existing video or copy to new video. After you have done that, you can go back to the videos, and let's say for example, I would like to add it to this video right here. I'll select the video, then select edit. After you have done that, you're just going to tap on Command V, and you can see right here that the clip has now been pasted. So that's how you'll be able to copy and paste a video clip to another video. And it's as easy as that. Once you're finished, you'll tap on download. And from there, you can select 4K. If you like to add subtitles, you can do that. Or no subtitles, you'll tap on none. Then you'll tap on start exporting. If it is a case that you would like to share it via link, you can tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you could copy the link and share it. You can also add restrictions. So for example, you can tap right where you see access, and you could add a password. You could also embed it. So you have different options that you can choose from. If you would like to send it via email, you can choose that. If you would like to embed it on your website, you can also do that. So now that I've walked you through how to use Tella, let me quickly go over the different pros and cons again. When it comes on to pros, it's easy to use, beginner friendly, and straightforward. It provides you with two different options. It provides you with a web browser and an app option. It also gives you options that you can use different layouts instead of just having a circle layout that Loom provide. And also the pricing is quite affordable. If we were to check out their pricing, let me do that real quick. You can see that their pricing is quite affordable, as you can get started for $19 per month. and their most expensive plan would be for $26 per month. Also, when it comes on to editing with their AI feature, it allows you to edit it just like you would do a Google Doc or any docs. You just select the words that you would like to remove and you can remove it. You can also use their AI find a mistake feature and it will help you with editing. So if you're planning to use a screen recorder and you want to start to show your face, Tella is a good option. And I do believe personally from my experience that it is a step up compared to Loom. I have left links in the description and pinned comment that will assist you and it will give you a discount if there's a discount available and it will help to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.